Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Colors name. White color, red color, pink color, orange color, light blue color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, brown color, dark blue color, black color and purple color. Let's start. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. D. D for dragon fruit. D for dragon fruit. E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for house. H for house. I. I for eyes. I for eyes. J. J for joker. J for joker. Now time to fill colors. Blue color. Blue color. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Orange color. B. B for ball. B for ball. Yellow color. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. Green color. D. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. Pink color. E. E for eggplant. E for ear. E for ear. E for eggplant. Eggplant. Purple color. F. F for fig. F for fig. F. F for fig. F for fig. Green color. G. G for goat. G for guava. G for guava. Green color. H. H for house. H for house. Orange color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Yellow color. J. J for joker. J for joker. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.